Farmers Market at UNM. Hi, my name is Cassidy Maxwell. I am a freshman at the University of New Mexico, and I am currently majoring in business. I attend lots of farmers markets when they're in season. I take pride in the fact that I am able to give back to my community in different ways. The only drawback for me is the location of these markets. Most of them are far away and they can be hard to get to. The need for farmers markets on campus. 1. Location. The nearest farmers market from campus is over 4 miles away. Some students rely on public transportation. The distance alone is enough to deter people away from going to the local farmers market. Next, cost. Healthy food can be expensive, with the average trip to Whole Foods costing $59.89. Farmers markets are regularly cheaper, with an apple ringing in 50 cents cheaper than Whole Foods. Next, the lack. It is essential for college students to eat a well-balanced meal. However, there is a lack of fresh fruit and veggies that are provided as part of the meal plans. Fresh produce is crucial to the well-being of students. My proposal. I am proposing that the University of New Mexico host monthly farmers markets on Johnson's Field during market season. Why a farmers market? 1. To provide students with accessible and affordable outlet to fruits and veggies. There is currently a lack of fresh produce at the dining halls that the meal plans provide. These meal plans are a majority of what the students at the university eat. Next, it gives back to our community by buying local. Buying from local small businesses is a great way to put our money back into our community. By doing this, we are helping those students around us. Next, it creates a sense of community within our campus. Students will be able to go to the farmers markets with their friends and get to know new and different people at this event. While meeting new people that go to UNM, you can also meet other community locals that have decided to attend, such as business workers and farmers. Not to mention the connections that they can make with people in our community for networking opportunities, such as marketing for small businesses. Finally, it improves the overall health, both mental and physical, of our students. This is done by getting students outdoors for an hour or more. Also, by attending this event, they will get a break from their homework and away from their computer screen. Farmers Market turnout. Currently, 71% of adults have said that they have attended Farmers Market in the last year. I would expect there to be a pretty good turnout for the Farmers Market because of a few reasons. First of all, it would be new and people love checking out new things on campus. Also, other people from the community would be able to attend. I believe that with the right advertising, we will have a good turnout at a farmers market. Where to start? President approval. We will first need approval from the president of UNM to begin the process. The process of getting approval from the president is easier said than done. This can take weeks, if not months, to get moving. Help from SSE. Student Special Events, or SSE, is a big part of organizing student events on campus, and they could help coordinate the farmers market. They have access to speakers for music, and they have the following on social media to get the word out to students at the university. Next, we'll need local participation. We need to reach out to locals in the community to have them participate in the farmers market. We should contact farmers and local small businesses to have them come to the event. An incentive for the businesses to come could be free advertising for the companies. Budget. Farmers markets can cost as little as $2,000 a year to run. I think this is a good estimate because it is free to rent out Johnson's Field. In addition, we could lower the cost per booth to give farmers an incentive to have a booth at our farmers market. Lots of other normal costs that farmers markets would have are cheaper because of the university. Local flavors, familiar faces. Farmers market at UNM.